Armour battles. Mission 2. Turn 5. Command dice are rolled at the start of each turn. The US roll 5 dice. The Germans roll 4 dice. The US go first. First US command pulse. The US discard their 1 dice. They have 4 command dice and 1 staff order. The US call a fire mission. The battery fires for effect. The battery is on target. The battery fire against the stug has no effect. The US roll 4 hits including 2 suppressions. The Germans roll 1 success and the stug is dispersed. The Germans lose 1 morale. The battery fire has no effect. The fire mission is completed. The US order the M4 platoons to advance. The platoons move at half speed coming off the hill. The M4 platoons fire. The US roll 5 hits including 2 suppressions. The stug gains a reaction dice for being uphill. The Germans roll 1 success. The stug is dispersed. The Germans lose 3 morale. The M4's fire has no effect. First German command pulse. The Germans have 4 command dice. The Panthers are activated and open fire. The US uses opportunity fire. The Panther fire has no effect. The Germans roll 6 hits including 4 suppressions. The US roll 5 successes. The Sherman takes its 3rd disruption and is dispersed. The US lose 2 morale. The M4's fire has no effect. The US roll 4 hits including 3 suppressions. The Germans roll 2 successes. The Panther takes 2 disruptions and a suppression. It's forced back 16 inches. The M5 fires to no effect. The Germans regroup the Puma. Second US command pulse. The US store a staff order. Second German command pulse. The Pumas advance with a single move. The Pumas move 16 inches. The M4s use opportunity fire. The Pumas use their break-off ability. The M4's fire has no effect. The US roll 3 hits including a suppression. The Germans roll 1 success. The Puma takes 2 disruptions and is suppressed. The Pumas break off 16 inches. The Panzer IVs advance 9 inches and open fire on the Shermans. The Panzer's fire has no effect. The Germans roll 4 successes, including 2 suppressions. The US roll 3 successes. The Sherman takes a disruption and is suppressed. The Sherman is forced back to the table edge. 3rd US Command Pulse. The US regroup the M4 platoon. 4th US Command Pulse. The M4 and M5 reluctantly advance 7 inches. End of turn 5. The US have 2 morale. The Germans have 5. The US hang on with 2 morale, but they've knocked out 2 Stug platoons this turn. But can they hold off the Germans for another turn? Watch the next video to find out. Subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to keep up to date with Armour battles and Combat HQ. See you in the next one.